How do I connect a remote control to my iPad?
Hello viewers! In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to connect a remote control to your iPad. This process will allow you to control various apps and functionalities of your iPad with ease. So, let's get started.
What kind of remote can I connect?
Not all remotes are compatible with the iPad. You can generally connect Bluetooth game controllers, media remotes, and even some specific types of remote control drones or toys. Always ensure that the remote control you want to connect is indeed compatible with the iPad.
How to enable Bluetooth on your iPad?
The first step to connecting a remote control to your iPad is to enable Bluetooth. 1. Go to the Settings app on your iPad. 2. Tap on Bluetooth. 3. Toggle on the switch next to Bluetooth if it's not already enabled. Your iPad is now discoverable and ready to pair with devices.
Pairing your remote control with your iPad.
Pairing your remote control with your iPad can vary slightly depending on the type of remote. Here is the general procedure. 1. Turn on your remote control and ensure it's in pairing mode. Usually, there's a button you press and hold or a specific procedure outlined in the device's user manual. 2. On your iPad, stay in the Bluetooth settings menu. 3. Under the My Devices section, you should see the name of your remote control appear. 4. Tap on the name of your remote control to pair it with your iPad. After these steps, your remote should be paired and ready to use.
What if my remote control doesn't connect?
If you encounter issues pairing your remote, don't worry. Here are a few troubleshooting steps. Make sure your remote control is in pairing mode. Ensure the remote control is charged. Restart both your remote control and your iPad and try again. Check if there are any special instructions or apps needed for your specific remote control model. And that's it. You now know how to connect a remote control to your iPad. This process will make your iPad usage much more convenient and flexible. Remember, always ensure your remote control is compatible with the iPad before attempting to connect. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.